Taranitoy suba Manipur Legislative Assembly ki Nipan suba session ki provisional calendar ngasi thoki bagaloina na session asida sitting ahum laigani. Session na lakliba September anidagi September 8 Phaoba chatharagani hairi. Hiramasiga mari lainana Manipur Legislative Assembly ki Secretary Rohit Sapam na kudek piduna thadurakpa cherola manahai. Taranitoy suba Manipur Legislative Assembly ki Nipan suba session asi lakliba September anidagi September 8 Phaoba chathagani. Adubu September mari asi Janmashtami laiba amadi September manga amadi September tarukna thangza amadi nomaizing numit oiba maramna suti laibadagi numit sing asida sitting lairoi lemhoriba numit humni haibadi September ani ahum amadi tareta sitting phamgani hairi ahoba numit September ani gi business ta obituary reference Atopa business sing house ta business advisory committee report thamba kumjali singani kuntaru kuntaret ki ahanba batch ki demands for supplementary grant house ta thamba madi government bill khara introduce tawraba yai hairi September ahum gi sitting dana questions atopa business sing amade kumjali singani kuntaru kuntaret ki ahanba batch ki demands for supplementary grant house ta khanaraba yai hairi Loinana session asigi aroiba numit September 8 ki sitting dana questions atopa business sing amadi kumjali singani kuntaru kuntaret ki ahanba batch ki demands for supplementary grant ki discussion amadi voting appropriation bill house introduced tawba amadi government bill sing passed tawba amadi consideration gi business sing chatharaba yai haina cherola sina makatari